Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about, whatever is happening. I'm sorry to discuss all the negatives, but the planet Mars is taking a very ugly shape. It is casting its evil shadow on the complete world. Red planet Mars may trigger violent unrest in Kashmir or militant attack in India, being political flashpoints, potential flashpoints. So this is all we're discussing, and I had written about 4 or 5 articles on this, and let me read out. I have been writing on Mars transit from the sign Taurus to Leo will be most enigmatic, and especially from Gemini to Leo from the 14th April to 20th July 2021. The reasons are crystal clear. Mars is ammunition dump and triggers the events. Let me tabulate the parameters according to important dimension as violent unrest. For violent unrest in Kashmir and militant attack in India. Have a look at the chart of the Jammu and Kashmir. It is of 27th October 1947, 13:27 hours, and it is clear the 7th house opens the secret. Mars and Saturn placed in the 7th house of wars clearly shows that it's a war-prone state. And unfortunately, the Dasha of Mars Saturn is also in operation till 19 December 2021. And Mars and Saturn will also be activated as per Bhav Siddhikal. Sun, Mercury, and Venus in the 10th house will be activated on the 17th of April, and there will be exchange of Mars and Mercury. Mars and Mercury. Mercury is the 6th lord, and Mars is the 4th lord. Gentlemen, it is not good. It is pointing out whatever has been predicted here. And then Mars ingress in the 6th house, aspecting the Saturn in the Lagna lord, and the second lord, the Marak, will be most malefic. And I mentioned the time frames. Let me read out the time frames. And then in the Rashi and Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra there is Veda. So let me read out the important. And then in the chart of Pakistan, who is responsible for all the terrorism, and in Kashmir, he is running the dasha of Venus, Saturn, and both are placed having planetary war in the 4th house, and both will be activated as per the time frames mentioned. And India has the Pisces new moon chart of Pakistan is of Aries Lagna, and there is exchange between the first lord, Lagna lord, and the second lord, and there is a Ngarak Yog in the second house. You can make out what will be the financial condition of Pakistan very soon in this year. So let me read out what are the nutshell. The time frames are most important in the immediate future, and as follows: for natural, unnatural calamities, brawl between nations, virus surge, earthquake, political turmoils, explosions, fire, massive disasters, terrorism. This can happen especially as regard to this article, and also it is also valid for the global events. Mars activation of 6.2 degrees in Capricorn on the 25th April 2021. The arc of Jupiter and Saturn, the great conjunction which took place on the 21st December 2020. Mars entering the Ardha star on the 24th April to 16th May 2021. Most enigmatic. Mars will give Veda to Saturn from the 25th April to 16th May in the Rashi and Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra, prone to war and warlike conditions. Mars activation of 18.4 degrees on the 16th May, conjunction of Jupiter and Venus of these degrees on the 12th February 2021, and this conjunction is treated as bloodshed as per the mundane classic Mayur Chitram. Mars aspect stationary Saturn on the 18th May 2021. Mars activation of 20-22 degrees in the Cancer between 4th and 7th July 2021. Mars activation of 6.2 degrees from Cancer again in Capricorn on the 12th July 2021. Mars activation of 18.4 degrees again from Cancer on the 1st July 2021. So then I have written, so many articles. Please read all those articles I've mentioned in the article, in this article, and this shows that the things are not very good, not very healthy. And the Pisces new moon chart of India shows that the emergency like situations will be there and historic events will take place. We have already seen coronavirus surging as I had predicted. Now India has reached a figure of 2 lakhs, and the lockdowns will be implemented after 24th April. Wait and see. Lockdowns will have to be implemented because coronavirus will take an ugly dimension, and the stock and financial markets would also be adverse. They will be violent. They will be violent means volatility in the stock market. As the sentiments, one news comes, the stock market will go up, the other news comes, the stock market will go down. So these violent conditions will remain in the stock and financial markets, and whatever I have predicted is proving spot on. That's what I wanted to tell you, that Jammu and Kashmir and is prone, and India is also prone to a militant attack, and Pakistan may be responsible for it, and the militant forces, as we all know. So that is all I just wanted to share, friends. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good day and best of luck. Keep social distancing and keep yourself safe from coronavirus. Thank you. Good luck.